Thanks for stopping into the Perfect Storm Trading YouTube channel. Go to our website, perfectstormtrading.com. If you would like a chance to win a free copy of the Perfect Storm Trading Book and Indicator Package, go to our website. You will get a pop-up box on the front page. You can drop your first name and your email in, send it to us. We will send you one email back with instructions on how to enter the contest. We will not spam your email, nor will we pass your email on to anyone else. So if you want to get a shot at getting into this contest, go to perfectstormtrading.com and sign up on our website. Thanks for stopping by the Perfect Storm Trading YouTube channel. It is Thursday morning, July 29th, 2021. I'm going to go back over the trend from yesterday, then we'll get into a couple of other things. As you recall, I mentioned that the green line was going flat early in the morning. I think I was on here about 7:30 or so, and you can see how the green line was flat, and what I've done, the blue moon line, I've projected up onto the price chart. You can see how the price pattern followed the blue line fairly well. We ended up trading in a narrow band. I'm going to show you support and resistance when we get to the rainbow chart. But again, we're flatlining all through the day and into the morning of the 30th, and even beyond that, where we're hovering and bouncing around the -20 line on the green line. One interesting thing about today now, the blue line is flatlining around the 0 line. You can see see how we're barely not even getting into the -10 or +10 area on here. We're hanging around inside the 5 zones for the most part, except for a couple periods where we bounce out. That's kind of an indication that we're going to get another day of sideways market. We might even have less volatility today than we did yesterday. Yesterday was kind of a up and down range trading market in a box of about 20 points. We may not even get that today. Now, that's not written in stone, but this type of pattern on the Excel chart is an indication that that's a fairly strong possibility. Here we go with the rainbow chart. So what I've done, I've marked some horizontal lines on the top of the chart. These are the high side resistance points. We've got tops in the 4404 area, and then we're also going to find some resistance around 4412 and 4416 area roughly. And then the red rectangle band here at the bottom is the lower side resistance. So we've got some support right now in the 77 to 81 area. That's the area that we had these low points yesterday, and the spike low here went to the bottom of that band. Okay, pushing the chart over to the left to give you today's rainbow indication. We've got 912, we've got 946, we have 1046, and then 1235, and then the last one's near the end of the day session again. So those are going to be your keys for the rainbow, for the white and lime green box correlation. These are the Vedic indications for turning points that I've been showing for the last couple of weeks or so. All right, let's take a look at the Vedic and the pH then and see where we are with that today. Okay, here's the Vedic chart. I'm also showing the B3 indicator on this panel now, but you can see the points from yesterday. We got a pair of lows in the initial green block here. Let me pull that back. We got the high in the white area. Usually we're looking at the white green, but we ended up getting kind of a double tap. So we got the first ultimate high in the white block, and then in the white green block we got the lower high, and then we broke down off of that. And then when we moved to our bright green window later in the morning, we got our initial low. The first low came in the small A1 white block. Then we got to the green block. We got a secondary low, double bottom, which triggered into that up move. And then inside that same lime green block, we came back and made a lower low in the A1, A2 area here, and then we ended up getting both of those. We got the initial low, started tracking up, and then we got the spike low while we were still inside the larger green block. So moving into today, we've got three main points for today. We've got this area here where we had the morning high. We got a small down move off of that, and now we're coming into the next window where we've got two sub windows. So we've got the large green window on A2 that's going between about 7:30 and 11:46. The two key areas are the A1 panel, this bright green block here, which is the same width as the rectangle, and then the white block. So that block sets up from about 7:25 to 8:10, and then 10:52 to 11:32. Remember now what we do, we use the turning points from the rainbow into pH, or the Astro aspects or cosmodine turns inside these windows to look for these key points. Okay, so I'm going to give you the pH times for today and then leave it at that. Okay, here's the pH chart for the method 2 indications. We hit the first one early this morning at right before 6 o'clock. What happened, we were tracking up and the market just flatlined for a while, then turned down into our secondary signal. Now we've got a long trigger right there, so there's a long trade. That segment ends at 10:34. The afternoon M2 are at 219, and then again at 320, 1520. Now for the projections, we had a little bit of a double bottom here for the overnight low, or actually late last night, about 2200 something. So the first one was set up on the purple blue. That projected forward here to this, actually the high. We had a little double top. This was actually the lower high, which triggered a short that didn't go too far. Then we projected this high. I'm using this red trend line to show where that's coming in at the 954 area. Then we're going to take a secondary projection off that morning low. So first projection was to here, second projection goes out to here, which coordinates with the end of the morning larger segment, the end of the purple segment. So we've got two times coming together right here in that 10:30 to 10:40 area. So that may be an important point to watch today. So if you take the times I'm giving you on this video, take all the indications, put them together, you're going to get yourself into some good trades today, and not only today but every day. So that's it for today. We'll be back again with another video on Friday. We'll see you then.